Hey, it's Brandon from Kickstart PPC, and today I'm going to be going into why you got a message like this on the 25th of May, and what exactly is the Informed Consumers Act. What do you need to do? How do you comply? I'm going to give you the A to Z, show you exactly what you need to know. So let's jump into the video. Now, I've got Amazon's message here from 2 weeks ago just to go through it with you because that's the best source of information here. So they've basically had a new law come in from the US government, the Informed Consumers Act, and it's only going to affect the US marketplace. It's not all of Amazon in general, but Amazon does have a very high standard of verification for Amazon sellers. So this is more about targeting the higher volume sellers and making sure that they have to do more stringent checks on those sellers. So you probably have submitted all your information, but if you haven't and you need to, I would do it straight away. You have till the 27th of June, but these messages come up on Amazon and sometimes they're easy to miss. You get an email come through, but it's best if you're sat at your computer, you're watching this video, when you're finished, just go over there, get that done, get it all verified. You've got over a month from when this is uploaded till the deadline itself, so plenty of time to get that sorted out. Deal with support if you need to. So you've got that potential thing to work on there. Basically, once you've submitted everything, then you're all good to go. But that's not really the cause of the problem yesterday on the 25th. So let me show you how you can fix that in the case that you did get this message and you haven't submitted anything. Now, if you haven't already sorted this out, what you need to do is you need to go to your account section, settings, and go to account info, and on that page you're going to find whether there's either a drop down or it says thank you or it's blank. So either or, if it's got a drop down, click into it, submit the information, and you're good to go. If it says thank you for submitting the information or it's blank, you're all good to go despite that notification on Seller Central. So no need to panic. Everybody that we work with had that same notification. So if you've received it as well, you're okay. You're in the same boat as everybody else. So, but we like to be on top of things. We like to monitor Amazon seller accounts. If there's a problem, we tell all our clients so that if you have missed it, because it's easy to miss things when you're busy in your business, then you have the opportunity to fix it in good time. So hopefully that's been helpful, and if you need more Amazon seller, Amazon PPC information, definitely subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions or you've experienced any issues. I know Seller Central was down last night at 10 p.m. Eastern, so it's definitely been a bit of a roller coaster the last 24 hours. And in the case that you need help with your Amazon PPC, you're struggling with things at the moment and you want to get more information and get your campaigns to perform better, well, we can help you with that. So our details are in the description, hello@kickstartppc.com. Feel free and contact us, and I'll be the one responding to your email. We can get an audit done for your account and see where we can improve things. So until the next video, hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you then. Bye.